Okay, so I want to make a quick video on what to do if you have to suddenly change your dosing schedule. Dosing schedule is when you take your shot. Like I currently take my shot every 5 days at night, so that's my dosing schedule. Now the problem is when we have to make sudden changes to our schedule, as in we have to take our shot earlier or later than normal. For example, a few months ago, I needed to take my shot a bit earlier because I was going on vacation and I didn't want to bring my GLP-1 because traveling with it is a hassle. These sudden changes are a problem for me because I either got more side effects if I had to take my dose earlier or more hunger because I had to delay my shot. But either way, if we have to take our shot sooner or later than we're used to, it helps to know what to expect and how to prepare just in case issues come up. So if I have to take my dose earlier, I expect more appetite suppression and more side effects that I currently get. So in my case, it's nausea and bloat. And to prepare and manage it, I eat smaller meals because regular sized meals give me bloat. I have less fatty, oily foods because they give me nausea. And I have more liquid calories because they're easier to digest. So for example, I like to have more protein shakes compared to protein foods like steak or chicken because it can give me both nausea and bloat. But after a day or two, my side effects go away and I can pretty much eat like normal. Now, if I have to take my dose later, my hunger and food noise comes back. So to prepare for that, I have higher volume foods. So think vegetables, fruits, or high fiber foods because they fill me up and keep me full longer. I drink more water or calorie-free drinks, especially carbonated drinks because they fill up my stomach and get me full faster. And I have more plain or bland foods because bland foods to me are gross and gross foods reduce my appetite. For example, instead of having chicken and rice with sauces and seasonings, I eat it plain and that gets me pretty full. I'll pretty much do anything I have to deal with hunger until I take my shot. Anyways, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.